Think you need a sewing machine to finish banners professionally? You don't. Today, I'll show you 3 easy banner finishing methods that require no sewing equipment. Let's start with the fastest and easiest option, trim only. For many short-term applications, all you need to do is cut the banner to its final size. If you're using a spring-back banner stand, the hardware itself supports the graphic, so no additional finishing is required. You can also use adhesive tabs. These create attachment points without sewing or installing metal grommets. This is a great solution for temporary signage, retail displays, events, and indoor promotion where speed and simplicity matters most. If your banner needs to hang from a rod or a support pole, tape hemming can create a clean, professional-looking pole pocket while hiding the mounting hardware from view. Using double-sided banner tape, the edge is folded over and sealed to create a pocket. No sewing required. This method is popular for trade shows, retail environments, school events, and temporary displays. If you need a little more strength and versatility, tape hems combined with grommets are often the next step. The tape hem creates multiple layers of material to reinforce the banner edge, and the grommets provide secure mounting points for installation. This finishing method is one of the most widely used in the industry for both indoor and outdoor banner applications because it balances durability, ease of installation, and production efficiency. So which option is right for your next banner project? For quick indoor displays, banner stands and adhesive tabs make trim-only graphics incredibly easy. For hanging applications, tape-hemmed pole pockets provide a clean finish. And for a versatile solution that works across many banner installations, tape hems with grommets remain a proven favorite. The best part? Every one of these methods can be completed without sewing equipment, making it easier to expand your banner finishing capabilities without investing in additional production equipment.